Dear students, today I am going to teach you third part of the chapter 7 from book Honey Shakil for class 6. Part third. As I told you, in the first part, two friends were there, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Juman Sheikh had an aunt. She transferred her property to Juman Sheikh, promising that he will support her, he will give her food, clothing, everything. But after 2 years, that is, he lost interest in her. So his aunt called a panchayat and she put her question, she put her problem before the Panch. Panch was Algu Chaudhary, who was Juman's friend. Algu Chaudhary was Juman's friend, but he decided that Juman will pay allowance, monthly allowance. If he is not able to pay allowance, the property goes back to his aunt, to the lady. Juman Sheikh became angry at this. He was hoping that Algu Chaudhary was his friend and he will talk in his favor, but he took the part of justice and what was the truth. So Juman became angry. In the third part, just what happened? Both friends separated in second part. There was enmity between them, Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sheikh. But what happened in third part? We see, days passed, many years passed like this, and Algu Chaudhary was suffering, and it was his hard time. That is, it was his unluck. He had a pair of bullocks. One of them died. One bullock died. Now he had only one bullock. अब एक बैल उनके पास बच गया. He sold this bullock to Samju Saab. Samju Saab, other person of the village, he sold his one bullock to Samju Saab. And promising, Samju Saab promised to pay the money of this bullock, to pay the money in a month. एक महीने में वो पैसा इसका वापस कर देगा. But Samju Sahu worked hard using this bullock. इस बुल्लक का यूज करके उसने कठिन मेहनत किया. And unfortunately, the bullock died after 1 month. एक महीने के बाद ये बुल्लक मर गया, died. Then after some days, Algu Chaudhary demanded his money of the bullock. बुल्लक का जो पैसा देने का वादा किया था उसने डिमांड किया. Algu Chaudhary demanded the money. But Samju Sahu became annoyed. He became annoyed and he said, I can't pay. नहीं, मैं नहीं दे सकता. Why? Because the ox bullock was ill and it brought only ruin. It brought only ruin for me. That's why I cannot give you no money. At this, Algu decided to refer this case to the Panchayat. Just he decided to made up his mind to take this case in the Panchayat. Then you see what happened. The second time a Panchayat were made, that is, took place. एक पंचायत बैठी. Many persons came there under a banyan tree. Banyan tree के नीचे बहुत सारे लोग आए. Panchayat was held under a old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, what was his problem? Algu खड़ा हो गया और अपना समस्या को बताया. He said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. He said, Algu Chaudhary stood up and said, voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. That is, Sahu was asked to nominate the head punch. And just he said that he will accept a bit by decision made by the punch. Punch ने जो भी decision लेंगे, I will accept that. Sahu was his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. Yes, Sahu stood up and he proposed the name of Jumman, who was Algu's friend. But at this time, there was enmity between them. That's why Sahu nominated Jumman's name. Algu's heart sank. He became worried, sorrowful. He turned pale. पीला पड़ जाना, वो पीला पड़ गया. Why? Because Jumman was his enemy now. But what could he do? What he could do now? Just Jumman Sheikh was nominated as head punch from Sahu. The moment Jumman became head punch. No, Jumman became head punch. He realized his responsibility. He felt what was his responsibility as head punch. Head punch के रूप में उसके अपना उत्तरदायित्व क्या है? He realized just and the dignity of his office. What was the dignity of his post? Could he seated in the high place have his revenge now? Just his thinking. It is going on in his mind. He should take revenge. उन्हें बदला लेना चाहिए अपने मित्र अलगू चौधरी से और डिसाइड व्हाट इज राइट, या जो सही है उसका पक्ष लेना चाहिए, उसका निर्णय करना चाहिए. जस्ट ही वॉज थिंकिंग, ही थॉट एंड अगेन एंड अगेन ही थॉट, बार बार विचार किया. क्या करें? दैट इज टू टेक रिवेंज. अलगू चौधरी से बदला ले या सही बात कहें, जो फैसला करना चाहिए. नो, ही मस्ट नॉट allow these personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. At last, justice was in his mind. Just he decided not to allow his personal feelings in the way of justice. Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. Both stated their cases on their favor. That is, both said what was their problem. They were cross-examined. Many questions were asked. Different persons were there. Many persons were there. They asked many questions to understand the matter, to understand the case. And at last, Jumman stood up and announced what was the decision. It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. Just he said his decision. Head punch. Jumman से अपना डिसीजन सुनाया. समझू साहू क्या करना चाहिए उन्हें? दैट साहू शुड पे द प्राइस ऑफ द बुलक. साहू को, समझू साहू को बुलक का जो प्राइस है चुकाना चाहिए. इसलिए कि इट इज राइट, यही सही है. एट द टाइम ऑफ व्हेन साहू बॉट द बुलक, जब साहू बैल खरीदे, it suffered from no disability or disease. No disease was there. The bullock was suffering from no disease. No, कोई उसके बीमारी नहीं थी उस समय जब वो खरीदा गया. The death of the bullock was unfortunate. It was unfortunate that bullock died. Unfortunate it was. But when he bought it, जब वो खरीदा उस समय, at that time it was healthy. bullock healthy था. But Algu cannot be blamed for it. Algu को इस पर कोई दोष नहीं है. No. Algu could not contain his feelings and he stood up. Algu, hearing the justice, न्याय सुनकर Algu stood up, खड़े हो गए, and he embraced his friend and over he said, victory to the panchayat. This is justice. Just he said, it is justice. ये न्याय है. God lives in the voice of the punch. पंचों की आवाज में ईश्वर निवास करते हैं, ऐसा अलगू ने कहा. So now Pradyuman came to Algu. Both Algu, who was his friend, came and both embraced each other. एक दूसरे का आलिंगन किया. Since the last panchayat and I had become your enemy. Just he said that I had become your enemy since the last panchayat. But now today I realize what is meant to be a punch. What is the meaning of a punch? What a punch should do. एक पंच को क्या करना चाहिए? आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इट टुडे, आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इट, मैंने महसूस किया है। ए पंच हैज नो फ्रेंड और एनिमी, ए पंच हैज नो फ्रेंड और एनिमी। एक पंच का कोई दोस्त होता है ना, दुश्मन होता है। ए पंच हैज नो एनिमी और फ्रेंड, उसका कोई दोस्त नहीं। ही शुड बी न्यूट्रल, उसे न्यूट्रल होना चाहिए, नाइदर फ्रॉम दिस साइड नॉट फ्रॉम दैट साइड, ना इधर से ना उधर से। ही शुड बी न्यूट्रल एंड he knows only justice. A punch knows only justice. Justice should be there, nothing else. उसका न अपना है न कोई पराया है, ओनली न्याय उसे करना चाहिए, उसके दिमाग में न्याय होनी चाहिए। लेट नो वन डेविएट फ्रॉम द पाथ ऑफ जस्टिस, किसी को भी जो पंच बनता है, जिसको नॉमिनेट किया जाता है, उसे सच्चाई के रास्ते से, न्याय के रास्ते से नहीं भटकना चाहिए। एंड ट्रूथ फॉर फ्रेंडशिप और एनमिटी, दुश्मनी या मित्रता के लिए उसे न्याय से नहीं भटकना चाहिए। Algu embraced his friend and wept. Algu also again embraced his friend Juman and wept, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. What was misunderstanding between these two friends washed away. ये दोनों मित्रों के बीच में जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग थी, वो दूर हो गई। एंड नाउ अगेन जुम्मन शेख and Algu Chaudhary became friend and lived happily. This is the end of the third part. Next, I am going to send all the solutions of these questions. Try to understand and try to complete this lesson. Thanks.